with the success of this movie. So, sobrang kami talaga nagpapasalamat na on our 30s, may lovely movie pa kami.
Yes!
So, marami pang kaming na-inspire at napapakilig sa mga
of course, for sure. Thank you, Kim.
I'm sure as long as may demand, nangyayari po So, kapag may demand pa, or may gusto pa, magkaroon kami ng proyekto magkasama. I'm sure
Thank you. Thank you, Kim. Wow.
Parang hindi ko naman yung boses ko kanina. Grabe.